that was Mix. Let's bring this party to the skies, and leading us there are your hosts. Please welcome Kira Kira Kat,
Yeah, hello! Hi, everybody!
Pau Pau. Hello guys, good afternoon! And Kenkoy.
Konnichiwa, minasan!
So, dapat pala tatlong languages ginagawa natin, no?
English, Tagalog, tsaka Japanese.
Hindi, pusa ginawa ko
Pusa
eh.
ba? Meow, 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 meow. Pakilala tayo.
Alright, hello everybody! I hope you're excited for a fun-filled weekend of anime, cosplay, music, games, and VTubers! My name is Kira Kira Kat!
Our theme, Zenith in the Clouds, follows this year's event series about different fantasy settings. Hello everyone! Today we launch you all up in the air. My name is Pau.
Our program promises to take you through a fantastic lineup of activities, electrifying performances, and exciting games. My name is Kenkoy, Kenkoy, because we all welcome you to Cosplay Mania 2024! Palakpakan! Day 2 na po tayo!
Woo! Feel free to say
Parang wala silang energy. Palakpakan!
Isapagan!
Hey! Kumain na ba kayo? Hindi pa kayo kumain. Nako,
Naggabi na ba kayo?
kanina. Ano tayo, game ng Yoshinoya.
Oo.
So, punta kayo sa booth nila ng Yoshinoya.
Malay nyo guys, kakarating lang nila,
Oh.
napagod na sa commute, but since you just got here, we would like to remind everybody to please move forward towards the stage to make
Yes.
way for the traffic in the con and so that other people can watch our program as well.
Feel free
Please
to
move
sit and gather.
forward.
Let's please move forward. Thank you for your cooperation. And pakibit-bit po yung gamit, pakiingatan po ang inyong mga gamit habang nag-step forward. At para mas mapalapit kayo sa amin. Aww.
Dahil
Ako lang,
dyan,
ako lang.
kasi we brought together so many amazing guests here at SMX Convention Center, Manila.
Cosplay Mania could not have made it this far without the support from our beloved fans, con-goers, partners, and guests. We owe it all to your support. Please give yourselves a round of applause! Yay!
Palakpakan nyo yung mga sarili.
Thank you so much for coming here on day
Day
2.
2. And speaking of guests, let us remember the opening act earlier by Mix. Stay tuned because they will return for another performance. Come on.
And of course, it's not an EX stage without the games. We have 2 new games for all our attendees today, and can you guess the location with Geo Hunter? Or can you bust the moves with Dance Renegade?
And of course, since nandito tayo sa Pilipinas, hindi mawawala ang inyong paboritong cosplay karaoke, our very exciting contests for cosplayers na gustong bumirit and test their luck.
Besides our activities and guests for today, please enjoy EX Hall's attractions. Sobrang dami ng mga people there sa ating exhibits.
Yes.
Fanfare tables, the All-Star Avenue, and of course, as mentioned by my co-host earlier, our food booths over there. At
Yes,
the other
meron
side of the
tayong
stage.
Gongcha, meron tayong Yoshinoya, of course. And pasalamatan din natin ang Pizza Hut. Andiyan po, Tender Juicy, Poland, and
Yes.
Minute Burger.
Definitely, and also be sure to enjoy our Artist Alley, where we have a lot of independent creators making
That's
a lot
right.
of merchandise from your
Nandyan-
favorite anime games and VTubers.
Yes, andyan tawagin natin si Leah Bear, si Jane Yu, sino ba? Si Pompon Me, Prince de Guzman, Zach and Roxanne, alright. And kung magpapapicture kayo sa kanila, at huwag niyong kalimutan na gamitin ang official hashtag ng Cosplay Mania. Kaya post nyo sa social media ang hashtag Cosplay Mania 2024.
Alright, everybody, again, as a reminder for those who just come in, please do feel free, huwag kayong mahiya, lumapit kayo sa stage kasi hindi nyo makikita ang mangyayari kung napakalayo ninyo. So please, po, if you can, move forward a little bit more and keep an eye on your valuables.
Maintain cleanliness, guys, also in your surroundings, because clay as you go,
Uh-huh.
clean as you go, wherever you go here at our beloved venue.
There you go. And also remember, cosplay is not consent. If you experience any incident of harassment, report them immediately to our cosplay.ph staff members so proper steps can be taken.
This is the ultimate event for fans, so enjoy the sights and attractions we have to offer all weekend long.
Everyone, get ready for the biggest anime and cosplay convention in the Philippines,
Cosplay Mania 2024! Woo! Alright, before anything, we would love to hear from our audience. Actually, natanong na natin to kanina, pero
Yes.
baka iba na yung sagot nila now. Kumain na ba kayo? Hindi pa din.
Di pa. So if you haven't, you can check it out the Mills area on the other side of Hall EX. Or if may hinahanap kayo, pwede kayong pumunta sa map ng Cosplay Mania. Sa information booth, meron tong wallpaper ng map. Or sa Cosplay Mania Facebook page online.
Ay, speaking of maps nga pala, guys. Did you know na meron tayong game na GeoGuessr?
Geo-
Familiar ba
Uy.
kayo doon? Magaling kayo doon?
I guess...
I
yes?
guess. Ako, I guess no.
No, I guess no.
I guess no.
Well, hindi. That's right. Kasi meron tayong similar game. It's called
Geo Hunter!
Hunter!
At dahil dyan, yung mga food, nagugutom na ako, i-geo map ko muna kung saan yan
Geo-map
mapunta.
mo muna. Okay.
Tayo muna
Ingat
ako.
ka sa iyong
Sige.
pag-geo map
Ingat.
dyan.
Okay.